Hi guys, got something in the mail. Nice little package from Michael. Gonna withhold last name just in case. Little note in here. Oops, time for glasses, sorry. Thank you for the many stickers you sent me. I have to send you one back. I bought in Germany back in 2916. Hold on. 20. Come on, focus. Anyways, it says 2916. He's from the future. So I have to send you one back. I bought in Germany back in 2016. It shows D for Deutschland and the unified country in the German flag. So it's a 3-in-1 deal. Maybe one of your cars. Maybe for one of your cars. Awesome. And this is it. Very cool. Yeah, it almost would be a shame to put it on the car because I know, you know, in my neck of the woods, somebody would want to take it off or just peel it off. But it would look good on the white car. But I'll probably put it on the toolbox. Thank you, Michael. Make sure nothing else is in here. Nope. Thank you for watching, and everybody else also as well. I know these stuff in the mail videos are not that popular, but that's alright. I guess the focus is on car repair, but I'm maybe starting to get a lot more flat earthers watching me. Bonus. Take care. Thanks. Bye bye.